Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start inside Spck with the project ready. You need minimal prerequisites, so open your project now. Once done, verify the file tree shows index, HTML and your JS file because Spck runs what it can find. Make sure storage permission is granted, then tap the project to load files into the editor. You want the terminal and preview icons visible. This is how you execute and inspect output. If you imported a zip, extract into the project root to keep relative paths intact. You now configure how Spck will run your code. First, set index, HTML as the entry file so the server knows where to begin. Once set, start the built-in server or live preview, and if prompted, choose a port. Keep the host as 127.0.0.1 to avoid network exposure. Then open the console or DevTools inside Spck to watch logs and errors. This helps you trace missing scripts or CORS problems. If you rely on modules, ensure correct type attributes and relative paths for predictable loading. You run the app by tapping Live Preview. Interact and watch the console for runtime errors so you understand failures quickly. Once you edit files, save or rely on autosave, then refresh the preview. Make sure you're not viewing a cached version. If nothing appears, check common causes, path typos, wrong script type like missing module, or server port conflicts. Change the port if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: open DevTools, inspect network requests, and fix the first 404 or syntax error you find.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.